I told the boss you wouldn't change your mind. See you later.
Wait! I think we should join.
Join?
You said some really compelling things, and I mean, that black Superman thing, that really got me. I love that.
What are you, deaf, stupid, or both? We ain't joining.
There you go again. You're just thinking about yourself. You're such a diva. What about my feelings? For once, let me tell you something. If we were a band, you know who you'd be? You'd be Mick Jagger.
Mick Jagger. Mick Jagger.
Oi! What's it to be? In or out?
We're not gonna join.
But since you're standing there, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rip the arm off this chair. I'm gonna smash him right in the face, stab him right in the neck for looking that way, kill all 13 guys in 7 seconds.
And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slip out of these chains and dropkick him, him, and him. Right in the throat.
No, not him. That's my guy. You gotta pick another guy.
What do you mean that's your guy? That's my guy.
No. That's face smash guy. You gotta find another dropkick guy.
You want a face smash guy? I'm gonna find you one. See that guy over there? The big one. The big one. That's face smash
No,
guy.
he's way too big. Ain't that right, Hattie?
Let him go.
All right, boys. Stay calm. We need her alive. Let them go, or what?
Or you're gonna get a nice new bruise right at the center of your forehead.
You're not gonna shoot me. Because you need an activation chip to fire that gun. Sorry. Try this out! I'm not small change.
Let's roll.
You think?
Dick. There she is.
Hey, where's the machine?
In the second truck!
On it.
The Jagger.
Never fails. We're not out of this yet, Hattie.
Got the machine.
Get a move on. Train's leaving the station.
That son of a bitch really is Black Superman.